Open your Store One dashboard and click on the Inactive Tab Message Addon Configure button. This add-on helps you grab the visitor's attention when they switch to another browser tab by changing the tab title with custom messages. Click on Add New Rule. You can set the rule status, rename the rule, and control the delay and interval timing for when the message appears. You can also enable rotation message to rotate multiple messages automatically after a set interval. Now move to the Message tab. Here, choose the message type as dynamic or custom. If you select custom, you can write a custom message. If dynamic is selected, its settings will appear next. You can enable an icon and select from different icon styles to display along with the message. In the dynamic template field, you can use tags like cart count to show dynamic information in the tab title. As you scroll down, you will see the rotation messages section. Here, you can add multiple messages that will rotate automatically when the customer stays away from the tab. You can duplicate existing messages, remove them, or create new ones easily. Next, open the Targeting tab. From here, you can choose where the inactive tab message should appear using the trigger type option. You can also exclude specific pages by enabling the Exclude option and selecting the pages from the search field. In the Preview section, you can see how the inactive tab message will appear in the Browser tab. After all, click on Save and go to your website. When I switch the tab, the custom message with the selected icon is displayed. As multiple rotation messages are configured, the tab title automatically cycles through them at the interval you have set, helping attract the visitor's attention and encourage them to return to your store. Thanks for watching the video walkthrough.